Did you know about Honda's revolutionary engineering tricks? A simple question, yet one that opens the door to a vast world of innovation and creativity. Honda, a name synonymous with quality, reliability, and cutting-edge engineering, has been redefining the boundaries of automotive design and technology for over 70 years. From its humble beginnings in post-war Japan to becoming a global powerhouse, Honda's journey has been one of relentless pursuit of excellence and innovation. Central to this journey is Honda's philosophy of creating value for society through technology. This unwavering commitment to technological innovation has led to the development of some truly revolutionary engineering tricks. These tricks are not just about pushing the limits of what's possible, but about reimagining what's possible. They are about designing cars that not only move us physically, but also emotionally. They are about turning ordinary into extraordinary. Now let's dive into the fascinating world of Honda's engineering tricks. Honda's journey in innovative engineering began in the 1940s. Picture this, a time when the world was just getting back on its feet after the Second World War. A young man named Soichiro Honda was already laying the groundwork for what would later become one of the most innovative automobile companies in the world. The first trick up Honda's sleeve was a seemingly simple thing, the piston ring. But this wasn't just any piston ring. Honda's design was groundbreaking. It was lighter, stronger, and more durable than what was available back then. This ingenious design allowed Honda's motorcycles to be more efficient and powerful, propelling the company to become a major player in the motorcycle industry. But Honda wasn't done yet. The company's innovative streak continued into the 1970s with the introduction of the CVCC engine. The Compound Vortex Controlled Combustion Engine, or CVCC for short, was a marvel of engineering. It was designed to be fuel efficient and produce fewer emissions without sacrificing performance. At a time when competitors were struggling to meet new emission standards, Honda's CVCC engine sailed through, outperforming others in the industry. The engine's innovative design used a lean fuel-air mixture and a pre-combustion chamber to ignite the fuel, reducing the amount of harmful emissions produced. These early engineering tricks were not just about improving performance or efficiency. They were about challenging the status quo and pushing the boundaries of what was considered possible in automotive engineering. And they set the stage for the innovative culture that continues to define Honda to this day. From piston rings to the CVCC engine, Honda's early engineering tricks were a testament to the company's commitment to innovation and excellence. They marked the beginning of a journey that would see Honda become a global leader in the automotive industry, renowned for its pioneering engineering feats. These innovations were just the beginning of Honda's engineering journey. But as we'll see, Honda's love for innovation didn't stop there. It only grew stronger, paving the way for more revolutionary engineering tricks that would continue to shake up the automotive world. Moving into the 80s and 90s, Honda continued to push the boundaries of engineering. As we delve into the latter half of the 20th century, we find that Honda's commitment to innovation didn't waver. It was during these decades that Honda introduced one of its most revolutionary technologies, the variable valve timing and lift electronic control, more commonly known as VTEC. VTC took the auto industry by storm, giving Honda's engines a significant edge. This system allowed Honda's engines to operate more efficiently at different RPMs, providing an optimal balance of power, performance, and fuel efficiency. This was a game changer, demonstrating Honda's ability to combine practicality with performance. Then in the early 90s, Honda broke new ground with the introduction of the NSX, a sports car unlike any other. The NSX was a marvel of engineering with its all-aluminum body, a first in the automotive world. This use of aluminum made the car lighter, increasing speed and improving fuel efficiency. It also demonstrated Honda's commitment to pioneering new materials and technologies in the quest for superior performance. But Honda's innovation didn't stop at performance cars. In the late 90s, they took a bold step towards a more sustainable future with the introduction of the Insight, the first ever mass-produced hybrid car. This was a clear statement of intent from Honda, showing their willingness to venture into uncharted territories. The Insight was a testament to Honda's forward-thinking approach, combining fuel efficiency and reduced emissions with practicality and affordability. The 80s and 90s were indeed transformative years for Honda. They pushed the envelope in terms of what was possible in automotive engineering, challenging conventions and setting new standards along the way. They introduced groundbreaking technology, pioneered the use of new materials, and took steps towards a more sustainable future. The 80s and 90s proved that Honda was not afraid to go against the grain and innovate. This period in Honda's history is a testament to their courage, ingenuity, and relentless pursuit of excellence. And as we'll see in the next scene, Honda's innovative streak didn't stop as we moved into the new millennium. In recent years, Honda has continued to revolutionize the automotive industry. Staying true to its commitment to innovation, Honda has been pushing the boundaries of what's possible, constantly surprising us with their modern engineering tricks. One of their most notable advancements is the development of Earth Dreams technology engines. This isn't just your typical engine revamp. Honda has truly outdone itself by creating engines that not only deliver high performance but also prioritize fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. The Earth Dreams technology engines are a testament to Honda's dedication to creating a sustainable future, all while ensuring an exhilarating driving experience. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Honda also introduced the Clarity Fuel Cell vehicle, a clear indication of their forward-thinking approach. This vehicle runs on hydrogen, emitting only water as a byproduct and offering a remarkable range. The Clarity Fuel Cell vehicle is a perfect example of how Honda is not just keeping up with the times, but shaping the future of automotive technology. Now let's talk about safety, because at Honda, safety isn't an afterthought. It's an integral part of their engineering process. The Honda Sensing technology is a prime example of this. This suite of safety features, including collision mitigation braking and road departure mitigation, are designed to keep drivers and passengers safe on the road. Honda's commitment to safety showcases their understanding that technology should serve people, adding another layer to their modern engineering prowess. These are just a few examples of how Honda has been revolutionizing the automotive industry with their modern engineering tricks. With each new model, Honda continues to surprise us with their innovative approach, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Honda's modern engineering tricks have solidified its place as an industry leader. Their commitment to innovation, sustainability, and safety is truly remarkable, and sets the stage for an exciting future in the world of automotive technology. So, what does the future hold for Honda's engineering? As we venture into the next era of automotive innovation, Honda is leading the charge with a vision that's as ambitious as it is inspiring. True to their tradition of challenging norms and pushing boundaries, Honda is reshaping the future of mobility. One of Honda's most audacious goals is to realize a carbon-free society. Amid growing environmental concerns, Honda is pioneering new technologies to drastically reduce carbon emissions. By 2030, the company aims to achieve carbon neutrality for all its products and corporate activities. This is not just a statement of intent, it's a commitment to our planet and future generations. But that's not all. Honda is also at the forefront of autonomous driving technology. They're developing advanced systems that will redefine our relationship with cars. Imagine vehicles that can navigate complex urban environments, respond to unexpected situations, and even make decisions in real time. This is not just about convenience, it's about safety, efficiency, and a whole new level of freedom. And then there's the evolution of Honda's hybrid and electric vehicles. Already a leader in this field, Honda is committed to expanding its lineup of electric vehicles and improving their performance and efficiency. This includes the development of next-generation batteries that deliver longer range and faster charging times. It's all part of Honda's commitment to sustainable mobility and a cleaner, greener future. But beyond these bold initiatives, the future of Honda's engineering is rooted in its enduring philosophy to create products that bring joy and convenience to people's lives. This is the driving force behind Honda's innovations, and the reason why they continue to set new standards in automotive engineering. As we look to the future, it's clear that Honda will continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in automotive engineering. From realizing a carbon-free society, to pioneering autonomous driving technology, to evolving hybrid and electric vehicles, Honda is not just shaping the future of mobility, they're redefining it. Throughout its history, Honda has been a pioneer in automotive engineering. It started with simple but effective innovations that set the foundations for Honda's early engineering prowess. Then came the transformative 80s and 90s, a period characterized by Honda's groundbreaking advancements that left an indelible mark on the automotive industry. Fast forward to today, and we see a brand that continues to push the envelope with modern engineering tricks, embracing cutting-edge technology and sustainable practices. And as we gaze into the crystal ball of the future, it becomes clear that Honda isn't slowing down anytime soon. From harnessing the power of artificial intelligence to exploring the untapped potential of electric and hybrid technologies, Honda's forward-thinking approach promises a future of continued innovation and engineering excellence. There's no doubt that Honda's revolutionary engineering tricks will continue to shape the automotive industry for years to come.